everyone, I'm teacher Casey from caseyteaches.weebly.com. You'll find videos all about tips for ESL online teaching for new and veteran teachers and coaching and guiding new teachers on how to get hired with VIPKID and maybe some other companies if you're interested. So in this video, I will be going over how to be your own boss. It's so exciting, right? And I'm sorry, bear with me. I'm a little sick right now, so my voice is a little scratchy, but it's okay because I'm making this happen. I want you to get hired and I want you to be happy doing your own job. You can't be your own boss, and it's the best feeling in the world. So first of all, never in my wildest dreams I've ever thought that it was possible to work from home. I didn't think that I could just stay at home, wake up, and roll out of bed, teach, and just maybe throw on some lipstick, hop in front of my computer, and boom, here we go. My day is beginning. So, but now it's happening, and it's the best decision I've ever made in my life. So, teaching in your pajamas, number one, is so cool. So you could wear whatever you want. Mostly. No low-cut tops and, no, like, cut-off sleeves. But besides that and, like, wording, then you're pretty good to go. Have you ever had a job or a boss where things just don't quite go as well as you had been hoping for? Maybe your boss is a little crazy or something. Well, this is a job where you can be your own boss. So have you ever dreamt that maybe one day you would love to work for yourself, where you actually make the rules for the most part, and where you are the one that's making everything happen? You make your own schedule. You have your own students that you are teaching, and it's so amazing. And you can do it all from your home. Wow, from your office or an extra bedroom, wherever you think that would be a suitable classroom in your house. It's very cool, right? You can jump on board and make income online by working from home as an online ESL teacher. You can do it, and I am totally here for you all the way. So you get to set your own availability as long as it's on Beijing time hours if you're working for VIPKID or GoGo Kid. And it's so cool because you get to make your own schedule. You can work anytime you want during the selected hours that are that the kids are awake, or you don't have to work if you don't want. If you want to take some time off, you can do it. You can take a month off or 2 months off if you like, or even more. Some teachers have taken a big chunk of time off and they still have the job waiting for them. It doesn't go anywhere. So you have complete and total flexibility. I would say it's as flexible as a veteran yoga instructor. Oh, it's pretty crazy, right? Silly joke, I'm sorry. Anyways, with VIPKID and GoGo Kid or many of the other online companies that are ESL companies, you are teaching mostly along Beijing time. So it's from where I am in Eastern time right now before the time change in winter. It's a 13-hour time difference. So right now it's 2:21 p.m. There it's going to be 3:21 in the morning. So they're still sleeping. And right now these hours you won't be teaching. So if you're in another country, then your hours might be more alongside those hours, and that's cool. And I'm jealous of you because I would love to teach abroad. That's my dream. But anyways, if you're in the US and Canada, then you can teach. The hours are really awesome. So basically, you make your own schedule. You can work anytime you like, nighttime, and it goes from 7:30 at night until 7:30 in the morning, and or 8 in the morning. And those are the hours. And so that's Eastern time. So it might be a little different for you, but that's for me. And the hours will change depending on where you're at. But the hours are awesome. You can have your full days for free. You can do anything you want. You can go do some fun activities, take some cool classes. If you have kids, you can go somewhere with your kids, or if you're a stay-at-home mom or dad, like this is the job for you because you have total freedom and you can set your schedule however you would like. If you really enjoy traveling, you can work and travel. It's the coolest thing to have the opportunity to travel and teach in your own time. So very cool. And I'm not a mom, but I do have a cat. So there you go. So regardless of where you are on this planet, you can teach from home and you can be happy and have so much more freedom in your life. I know that you would love every step of it because really, once you get through the application and you're actually teaching, it's amazing. This whole new world of opportunities just it blows up and it's awesome. Thank you so much for watching. You all are the best. So if you have any questions or comments, please leave a comment below and I will get back to you as soon as I see it. Also, hit the subscribe button because every Tuesday, hopefully, I will have a new video out for all of you to watch for your viewing pleasure. And I am leaving my website in the description box below, so check that out. It has a lot of great information for new teachers that are going to be onboarding and applying for VIP Kid. I'm totally here for you every step of the way. I am your cheerleader. Woohoo! You've got this. So if you have any questions, please ask me and I am happy to help you with anything. All right. Have a great day. Thank you for watching. Bye.